So just remember the deep breath that I had to take to get him up into the trot. So shoo him away a little bit more. So look where your body position is, by the front shoulder. So he's trying to come into you. Right at the stirrup. There you go. So keep that right hand out a little bit more so you're directing him. There you go, let him think about it. Okay. Pulse your left rein because he's going to try to peek up and over those arches, so we want him to keep on going forward. There you go. Make a big circle in this corner. If he shies away from anything, just go ahead and keep on riding him forward. Try to get his nose to the inside just a little bit more. Right leg, yep. Nice job. Now just go straight over towards the F. Come back towards me, we're gonna do the serpentine. So we're gonna make it pretty big. So we'll use half the arena. So you're gonna ride straight towards me and then just make a big sweeping turn to your right. And then looking back towards the arches. Left leg just a little bit. If you feel him pushing against you, then you can push back. Pulse that left and then just come right out between the ground poles there. Left leg, there you go. When he gets done with that, I want you to go ahead, when you make this turn back towards the F, I want you to go ahead and ask him to whoa by the platform. So pet him. Up, now back him up because he decided he wanted to walk forward. So just back up 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. Now, ask him to walk. There we go. So that was fine. Ideally, we are going to get him to back up straight, but for right now, that's okay. 2, 1, ask for a trot, 10 strides, up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, up 6, up 7, up 8, pulse 9, pulse 10, and walk. Pet that horse. So 2 strides, 3 strides, 4, 5, 6, 7, deep breath, 8, 9, 10, and trot. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pulse. Nice job. So now let's do a U-turn and go different direction. There you go. Squeeze that right leg. Help him with that front shoulder. Right like that. Very good. So now just turn your hips and go right here and ask for the trot when you get straight. There you go. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, up 6, up 7, up 8, up 9, up 10. Pulse and walk. Pet that horse. Like how he's coming back down. He's not pulling on you. The next transition down, I want you to ask him to whoa. So 10 strides at a trot, 10 strides at a walk, and then whoa. Nice job using that inside leg. Check your diagonal. There you go. All right, ask him to walk. There.